We are live. What's up, everybody? Happy Tuesday. We're live trading gold, ticker MGC for you. MGC, 1 to 3 contracts for you. Make sure you're doing that. So let's rock and roll. We're going to lock and load and make it happen. Reminder, most of December I will not be in the country. This is a reminder for those of you that are pure watchers who will DM me on Christmas and that week. Where are you? Why aren't you live? I will be in the Bahamas for most of December. So, boom. So let's rock and roll. So the ticker is MGC. And if you notice, we are consolidating. We had some nice moves. I already traded for the day. Copy traded 6 accounts on Funding Tick. Shout out to them. We're consolidating in this range. I also got the other ticker as a backup is MNQ. I already looked at it and holy moly, per usual, it broke out the range. Look at this. It actually just broke out the Now it broke out the range. I swear to God. Someone needs to keep a track at 2 p.m. like wild men. But if you notice, this was most of NQ. MNQ is the same. What's everybody in the chat? I'm going to acknowledge everybody. We're live on Instagram. We're live on TikTok. We're live on X. What's up, X? You weren't missed, but what's up? And YouTube. We're live on Floor Platform. What's up, Khalil, Marshall, Chris, Jesus, Harlito, Hamza, Hassan, Carlos, Dennis, and that Nordic name, Rem Gijos. What's up, everybody? What I'm saying? So let's rock and roll. Everybody on the other platforms, I'm on YouTube, Day Trade Professor. Common sense. I know you can't see the full board. I know I'm not reading your comments. Jump over to YouTube. We got to use common sense across the board. Some of the comments are usually, why is he talking? He's not replying to us. Guys, common sense. So let's rock and roll. Good to see you. Buddy said you're not missed. I don't like X. I just don't like it. All right, what's up? So let's rock and roll. So like I said, look at this nonsense on MNQ. Look at the nonsense. So let's see. Do I have Oh my God, it's just so bad. It's just so bad. It's just so bad. Yeah. Listen, no one... If NQ breaks 24,691, then we could talk about a short. But nah, bro, guys, look at this. Just look. Look, this is what destroys your account. This is how you blow your account. Even though if it breaks 691, I'm down for a short. Like right now, I would take it. No, see? Fortune, see you in class next year. Thanks for your books. You're welcome, Fortune. Oh my God, yeah. We gotta stick to MGC, bro. Even MG. I'm liking it here. Let me get it. All right, let's see. I'm liking longs right now, but it's so overextended. You know what I mean? I'm liking the longs. But here's the thing. Would I take this if I wasn't live? No. I'm going to be honest. I wouldn't take this. Like, I'm live. You're here. Let's take it, right? But no. Just finished watching the support video from the book. Now I understand why you don't give too much sauce. Hey, Samson, thank you for getting the books, bro. DTP, I love it. Samson put DTP, Day Trade Professor in the parentheses. I appreciate that, Samson. And when you're in class, we'll take a picture together and complete your name. I love it. Thanks for your books. You're welcome. You're welcome, everybody. I appreciate you guys reading the books. I appreciate it. Georgios, I miss you guys. That's Georgios from Greece, who was at the Mexico mentorship, the one I gave a lot of lectures to. That's him right there. So I'm going to be honest. Like, I would go long, but I wouldn't take this trade if I was by myself. I'm just being honest. I have to tell you the truth, right? I have to. My level is 4,073.4. I just don't like where it's at. Everything that our two main tickers are, I just don't like it. You look younger, actor, Shah Inva, the shaving. Khalil, I know you speak English. But yeah, shaving de-ages me. I accidentally shaved, bro. I had the trimmer like this. For some stupid reason, I did this. George is the guy that added into your trade instead of close. Yes, you remember, yes. But if you notice, Wick City, nothing happening across the board. By the way, there'll be a live on Friday. Oh, no live. Oh, thank you, Brain, for remembering. YouTube, no YouTube Live on Friday. My mentorship starts this weekend. So Friday night, I will be at the campus making sure everything is on point for the mentorship on Saturday. I just wanted you to know. I'll be live on YouTube. I'll do a trader Q&A on YouTube, Day Trade Professor, across the board. I just got a Funding Ticks account. Welcome to the family. By the way, see? The long would have worked, but I wouldn't have taken it. Me, myself, I just wouldn't have. I just don't like how it's just in this range. By the way, I want to make this very clear to the 1,000+ people watching. Oh, shout out to the man. Shout out to the man. I appreciate you. Shout out to the man. You know what's funny? Someone messaged me saying, I was following you for a long time, but I've never watched you. But I saw that you had 10,000 people watching. I'm like, whoa, what's he talking about? He came and he's like, yo, I actually learned something. I gotta say, shout out to you, brother. Shout out to you for paying and hooking me up. You're the man. But listen very carefully. Ladies and gentlemen, I do not work for Funding Ticks. I do not work for them. I have people messaging me saying, oh, I bought the account, but I never used it for 3 weeks and took away my access to it. You're to blame. I'm to blame for everything now? Yeah, see? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we got to use common sense. This lady, and a few people, but this lady's like, I'm going to report you, watch what I'm going to do you. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm like, bro, do whatever you want. I don't care. I literally don't care. Do anything you want to my name. I don't care. I'm just being honest. Y'all got to use common sense. This is 2025 or 26, one of the two. I don't run this company. If you're having problems, customer service. I didn't cause your account to be taken away because you didn't take a trade. My God, the amount of DMs I get saying issues that you're having that are not my fault. I'm not the CEO of this company. It's just a human race, bro. Just the human race. Look how slow this is. Look how slow. Can't wait to be there next year. Harlito, I'll see you. He'll be taking the last class halfway in the year. He's already signed up for May, June? Leo, let's go. Sound. Yeah. It's okay, Jesus. Let him enjoy. Let's go. Learn something every time. Chris Figueroa's in the chat. Chris, I miss you. What's up, Stuart? Guys, you don't want to trade this. If there's a lesson here, the lesson is you don't want to trade this. I don't want to jump to MNQ, but let's see. Yeah. See what I mean? See what I mean? Let's zoom into this for a second, right? Let's talk about this. Don't lie to me what I'm about to say. Don't lie to me. How many of you don't lie in the chat? Ready? Flood the chat if you trade this because you just want to take a trade. I just need the itch gone. Tell me the chat. Put on the music, Professor. Nah, it's okay, Rob. It's okay. If whoever watched your videos about getting into Funding Ticks, you explained it. I know, Matthew. That's what I'm saying. Matthew, you have to understand something. I've been teaching for 13 years. No matter what I say, people do what? They hear what they want to hear. For example, I'll say, all right, guys, my favorite color is green. I don't like going to McDonald's. I like to eat organic food. You know what they heard? Oh, he's a racist. He doesn't like red and blue. He likes green. He's a racist. He doesn't like black. He's a racist. When did I say that? I just said my favorite color is green. That's all I said. Oh, he doesn't like people that eat at McDonald's. When did I say that? This is the human race, Matthew. A worthless, pathetic majority of humans that shouldn't exist. This is what I have to deal with on a regular basis. That's it. Yes, I do degeneracy with a few contracts. See? You literally told all of us not to let I know, Tomas. I know, bro. I know. They don't listen. No trades for me yesterday or today. Why? I took some trades today and yesterday. It was glorious. By the way, Rob, I don't know what's going on with the algorithm, but my team was like, why are these books being shipped to Lithuania? We're getting a lot of orders from Lithuania. So shout out to you if you're recommending me, or shout out to you for liking and commenting. But Lithuania, the algorithm, people are buying books because they were asking. They're always asking why certain countries more than other countries. I'm like, I don't know, maybe Rob. Rob's friends and family, I don't know. Exactly, my man, exactly. I've taken those trades. Peter's taken those trades. Why would you do that to yourself, right? Why? Why? Peter says 100%. Funding Ticks sends you a link to read. I know, and they say it in the rules. I know, Samson, but people don't read. This is the nonsense I have to deal with behind the scenes that you people don't understand. You don't. The hate DMs, the nonsense on a 24/7 basis. It's crazy. Again, X, Instagram, TikTok, we're live on YouTube. Pull up. Anyway, I was the one to break the ice. That is true. That is true. We're getting a lot of Lithuanians lately. That's one of the biggest places the books are shipping. And by the way, I looked at my algorithm. It's America and Russia. Massive views coming out of Russia for some reason. I've been taking good trades too. Shout out to you, Chris. No, I'm not taking these trades. I'm agreeing with you that people don't have the common sense. I took good trades earlier yesterday and this morning. Yeah, I know some people watching want me to do a performance. I know you do. I get it. You're here. You're like, oh, he's going live. By the way, my entire schedule for this year is up on YouTube. Click on YouTube Live. You could schedule it. The team has posted the entire schedule for the rest of the time. Boom. So there you go. For those that say they never see me go live or I never go live. Humans. I'll be live on Instagram when I'm in the Bahamas. I'll be live on Instagram. Professor, how they lack common sense, but what? That's the thing. That's the thing, Carlos. Any problem with Cloudflare? No. Trading Views worked fine all day. I didn't have issues with Cloudflare. Not me. Yeah, look at this. I'm just trying to show you I can't do anything. I know you want me to take a trade, but I just can't. And I promised I wouldn't do nonsense just because I'm live. I promised. So I just can't do it. And I need a clear move. Like I need to show you how I trade, right? I have to honestly show you how I do it. Sometimes I put on a performance because I'm on a live. The camera's on. I got 4 cameras on social media. Go to Day Trade Prof on TikTok, Day Trade Prof on X, and then Day Trade Professor on Instagram, and then YouTube. I'm live on 4 platforms right now across the social media verse. And they all want me to take a trade. I just can't. There's nothing here. Please check. I'm on it, Hamza. I'm on it. I already said longs are looking good. But look, Hamza, let me explain. Let me explain. What am I doing? I forgot how to use my smartboard. This is gold. Okay? GC, MGC, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. If you notice, yes, we are above my support, which is 4,073.4. If you want to know my support, that's my support line right there. If you notice, Hamza, look at the wicks. Everyone, go to page. Did I forget my own page? Page where? Page 100. Everyone, we've sold thousands of these books, so I statistically majority of you have it. Go to page 100. Hamza. Yes, I could have taken the long, yes, but realistically, I don't take these trades. If you ask me, yo, how did you become number 1 on the Funding Ticks leaderboard? By not taking these trades like that look like this. It's a slow, grinding move up. Yes, it's going. The longs, yes, to my next level of support, which is 40,000 air. If you want it, here. 40,000, what the freak? No, not yet. Not yet. 4,080.3 is my level of resistance. So yes, it would have worked out 100%, but it's not something I would have done if I was by myself because I just don't like this move. I don't like it. That's just the truth of the matter. Professor, I passed the 50K funding ticks on November. Praise God. Let's go. I can't be still being prepared for. Does it usually take this long? November 12th? What's today? No, it doesn't take that long. Mine gets in like 24 hours. Email them, Reynolds. Email them. They're very good with replying back. The people is never going to be happy. I know. 100% stick to your plan. No need for nonsense. Correct. What's up? What's up, Danny? Wait for, yep. Follow his. What's up, Paul? Paul, did you get all the books? If you're the same Paul, did you get the button?
Just hit sell.
Follow his method and you won't question why he won't. Yeah, 100%. What time frame? Kaizen, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Again, to reference so you can learn something today, when it looks like this, I don't like it. So if you notice, this area where it was stuck, this is why. This is why. Simple as that. Even I, as a watcher who only just got the book last week, have to laugh about all the people that don't listen when you say, I know, important stuff. This is why I repeat it, correct. You couldn't make it, I know, Francis. The human race, majority of the human race are worthless beings. They just are. So that's why they don't understand nothing. Last time I checked, my English is pretty good. My talking skills are pretty good. Sideways, no trading. The candles are trying to break the resistance. Hit the like button, folks. Thank you, Luke. Hit the like button, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I got a love for you. I'll be purchasing your class soon. I've been studying all weekend. Praise God. What did you like about the books, Paul? Leave a good review. And remember, prices go up January 1st. Don't end up paying more. If you're going to sign up, just sign up before the year ends, bro. I don't want you paying a lot more. It's not worth it. Pay the cheaper price. Pay the cheaper price. So now that you understand, by the way, look at the battle at my resistance. Look at the battle at my resistance. Did I do a good job? Let me zoom in more so you guys can see better. Look at this battle at my resistance. Espanol también. No Espanol, papi. Only English. Hey, Professor. What's up, bro? What's up? All right, let's look at the higher time frames. Okay. Everything is trending up nicely. We're just battling that resistance. Let me ask you guys a question. Just because we're battling this resistance, should I go short? Should I go short? Should I go short? Being here. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Should you go short? Now my thing to you is, let's talk about this, right? I just don't like these wicks. Oh, very good. No. Thank you for the heads up, Professor Will do. Yeah, I'm just trying to look after you guys. I'm trying to tell you. Prices go up drastically January 1st. The next year dates are up. And if you can't make next year, just buy next year. And then keep that date and come whenever the freak you want. No. I would go short. There you go. It's on a clear uptrend. The channel is up and away. If it comes down, it comes down, but you honestly are fighting against the trend. You're fighting against the trend. And as if you notice, I just want clear trends. That's all I want. You see, look at this. For the person that said I would go short, it's that guy. Put a real name there. Guess what? No bueno, papi. No bueno. I was paper trading MNQ today. I did really well in 1 hour. Stop with the paper trading, bro. Stop it. Just get a Funding Ticks account. Get the cheapest one if you can't afford it, and just take those real trades. Take those. But it's that guy is the only one in the chat that said I would go short, and that's the thing. I want you to understand this example. My brain uses this example. Ready? I'm going to show. Listen to this example. For those trading prop firms, you're on the eval. Imagine, if you will, you're lost. You're lost at sea. You fell, and you're holding on to a plank. You see an island. You see an island there, and you're far away. You're paddling. You're not paddling. When you move your feet back and forth, paddling. What is that called? Tell me in the chat. You're lost at sea. You're the eval process. You don't have much. You're struggling. You're trying not to drown, right? You're holding on. You made it to the island. You get on the ground and say, thank the Lord I made it. Now, why would you do shenanigans, degeneracy, nonsense to go back? Don't you remember the days where you were struggling? You were on water, lost at sea for days, for weeks. You finally made it on the ground. Thank God you did. Now take it seriously. It's not, their market's open for 23 hours. 23 hours, 6 days a week. I love that analogy. Thank you, Yusuf. Thank you. Is that me and Yusuf in the car? Oh, shit. When did we sit in a car together, Yusuf? I don't remember that. When did we sit in a car together? It looks like a car. I can't tell. Or no, or is that us in the Manhattan? Paddling. But with the feet? Is it paddling with the feet? No, wait for clear sign. Yeah. See, look at this. Look at this. By the way, did I do a good job with my level of resistance? If I can zoom in more, shit. Let me zoom in more. Do levels work? Do levels work? I don't know. Do you have advice, understanding better? Yeah, bro. Right here, page 41, Nick. Page 41, everything's here. Maybe Yusuf made it. No, I know Yusuf. We met multiple times. He's been to New York in my class. We went to Wall Street. Oh, speaking of Wall Street, February mentorship, we're going to Wall Street. From the classroom to Wall Street and walk the trading floor. Boom. I use paper trading account for extra practice. I trade with my proper account tonight. Gotcha. It was a Long Island live trading outside. I gotcha. In the parking lot. It was Long Island class at the parking lot. Yeah. That's a great live. All right. So let's see what happens here. Let it battle that level again, and let's see how we play this out. That's a great level. People like to suffer first to see, Jesus, 100%. 100%. 100%. Again, for those that came in late, the ticker is MGC. Don't go more than 3 contracts. 1 to 3 contracts, MGC. We're still on a clear uptrend. MNQ. Yo, I just want to show you something. This is what makes traders lose all their money. This is the 5-minute chart. Imagine trying to trade this. Bro. Imagine I stood here and took the trades. My biggest fans would love it. You know who you are, my biggest fan. You know who you are. He loves spending money on me. He loves spending money on me. Hell yeah, we're going, yeah. February live trading. Only February live trading class. I'm paying for we're going to get a massive bus. And we're going to take that bus to Wall Street and back to the classroom. I'm paying for it in February live trading. So yeah, we're going to have a good time. It's making a barcode, 100%. 100%. Today's really going to be patience. Because I'm going to be honest, every urge wants me to go short right now, but it's not what I would do. It's just not what I would do. I traded MNQ in the morning, made a little bit. Praise God, Eric. Very nice. Carlos, Professor, I'm going to do the 100K account. No evals. In your last live, you're going to say 1 contract and you won't lose the account. That any advice? Just, yeah, bro. Do MGC or MNQ and just trade 1 contract, 2 contracts. Don't go more than 5. Yeah. The whole book, of course, Carlos, but page 41 and 100. Page 41 and 100. Page 41 and 100. Do you ever trade Forex? No. Sell, Professor. It's still on an uptrend. Overall uptrend. I know you want me to take the trade. Like, I get it in the chat. You just want me to put on a performance. I get it. It's the overall trend is to the upside. What do you want me to tell you? Was I correct on the short, Professor? No. What? What? Bro. What is this? The overall move is up. What do you mean was I right? What? Level to level, papi. Level to level. Level to level. Thank you, Professor. You're welcome. Thick scalping. Vladimir, I don't know what that means. Thick scalping? I don't know what that means. But yeah, overall trend is to the upside. Can't do nothing. YouTube just sent me a message saying I'm live. Now I went live? Oh, YouTube. Oh, YouTube, what are we going to do with you? What are we going to do with you? Don't trade for sake of pleasing the wrong crowd. I know, Francis. Trust me, I'm fighting it. It's just... Francis, it's hard to describe. You know, I don't know if you're on camera a lot, but it's hard to describe how it feels when you're on camera and people are waiting for you to do something. It's like a monkey performing. I'm like the monkey. Camera's on me. I have to perform. Can you tell me how much 1 point is worth on the... Yusuf, take a trade and see it, bro. Take a trade and you'll see it. Same, I joined late. I also looked at MNQ. It ain't looking so hot. It ain't looking so hot. And I don't want to be live for freaking 2 more hours. I don't want to be live for 2 more hours. Are we still live on IG, TikTok, everything? I know TikTok kicks you off quick. Oh no, we're still live. Okay, cool. On every platform. Outstanding. Outstanding. If we see that the trend is consolidating across the time frame, is a good idea to place a trade anticipation? No. You just wait, Pablo. You just wait. You just wait. Like, for example, right? If I took a short here, I'm in the short. 1 contract, right? Now, stop loss is above 40.83. We are sideways. This could bounce up and down if need be. This could bounce up and down. What you ultimately want is break of this structure, candle to open below here, down to our next level of support. I want the take profit on this side so you guys can see it. Because I know you guys, unfortunately, majority of you only care about that. I know a lot of you don't, but at the same time, I got a lot of people that's all they care about. That's all they care about. Show me the P&L. Show me the P&L. Give me the P&L. Like that matters. You're here to learn. So now if you notice, by the way, if you can't see, I'm up 20 bucks, 30 bucks, 50 bucks. It's fluctuating. But overall, uptrend channel. We got to pull back. We got a rejection off my resistance. I'm just in 1 contract. 50 bucks, 60 bucks for those that care about the P&L stuff. $1 per tick is 0.0 and change on MGC. Okay. I just blew my funded account today. Had a couple of months. Took out 1K. Motions took over again. MNQ screwed me. How many contracts, Liam? How many contracts? That's the question for you, Liam. How many contracts? What up, Pepe? What up, Echo? So I'm in the trade. Our resistance, like I said, was 4083, 4080.3. Support is at 4073.4. Me lost 8 PAs today. Why? I started with 1 as normal, but then started hitting 10. Yeah, degeneracy, Liam. You know you're not supposed to do that. So don't blame M and Q. Don't blame M and Q. If we had Professor that trader, it will be a short live today. If we had Professor the trader, 100%. 100%. 15 minutes, Mark. 15 minutes. Now you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Right there. Look at that. Look at that. By the way, look at that perfect hit at that resistance level. Perfect hit at that resistance level. Rejection off that resistance level. We are now on a stage 3. That's what I ultimately wanted. A hit of that. Now we're on a stage 3. Page 41. Page 41. Everyone should be on page 41. You shouldn't wait for me to answer everything. Just right here. It's right here. Have your checklist books out. Oh, I should have added to a contract at that resistance. That's what I wanted to do, but it moved so fast. Have your checklist books out. Again, we've sold thousands of these. You guys, most of you have these. Use them as a guide. What a great resistance level. What a great resistance level. That was beautiful. Ticker is GC. You guys MGC, but for me it's GC. Today's date is November 18th. The time is 2:30. All right, here we go. We're up 200 bucks. 230. Once it hits 4073.4, just hit sell. Candles overextended? Yes, they were. Did I chase? Yes, because I'm on live, unfortunately. Do I have FOMO? Not really. For the live, I guess. Marcus Young. Yeah. 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 Yeah, that's right. Trading is hard, especially if you have a small trading capital. Prop firms make you jump through too many hoops. I don't know about that. It's not. I watch my videos, Liam. My prop firm videos on the free course. The next most requested DM. Where's your free course? Humans. Funding ticks isn't like that, Liam. No crazy hoops. That's what I'm saying. I don't have any problems with them. I think I would just watch and learn from your trades now, Professor. Liam, welcome, bro. You got the books? Use the code VLOG. Get a discount. They'll ship out today. Amazing support resistance, the mentor at its finest. Thank you, Paul. How do you mean, Luke? No minimum days. Can you get quick? Bro, go watch my videos, Liam. It's in the free course. Thank you for putting your money up for me to understand. You're welcome, Pablo. Professor's a wizard. Stop it. Stop it. By the way, who's in the short with me? Anybody in the short on GC? MGC? I'm late. I go get orange and miss the trade. Note the specifics. By the way, Paul, how'd you like the quality of the books, bro? How do you like the quality of my books? Lay off for a few days, Liam. Don't let, yeah. Anyways, wanted to ask, have you ever had a red month? Of course I've had red months. Of course. I'm thinking of turning a $100 account to $10,000. Nah, just do a funding ticks account. Much easier. Much easier. All right, take profit is at 4073.4. Why is it struggling there? What's going on over here? I don't like being in a trade that just acting like this. I hate being in a trade that just flounders like this. I don't like it. I don't like it. See why I didn't like it? This is why I didn't like it. I want clear moves. People always ask me, how'd you get these payouts? How'd you make it to the leaderboards? I just trade clean moves. And when it starts acting fishy, flounders, jump moves here and there, I hit sell. If you haven't watched that live, by the way, go watch it. How I made it to number 1 on the leaderboard. It's in the free course now. I think my team put it in there. Shout out to my team. I already made so much for today. I should have just hit sell at that 200 bucks and called it quits. Social media, going live. That 4080.3 is strong. As long as we stay below that 4080.3. Let's see. Let's see. I was in the trade, just hit sell before the... Very good, Will. Very good. Is that Will from New Zealand? Your books are gold standard. Too gorgeous. The quality's phenomenal. Thank you. I want to enter so bad. Your entry's on another level too. Like prices gravitating. Yeah. Brother, they are beautiful. They really make me feel like I'm in class. I love the gold ribbon. Is the best color. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. Are you able to elaborate on the formation of the candlesticks that you know? In class, Pablo. In class. That's in class. 14K profit on 25 profit count is bonkers with 1K drawdown. Only snipe. Yes. Over to Josh. You know, bro. You know. Over to us. What country are you in? What country are you in? I love it. He knows. He watched that live. I'll be going over my P&L, my profits, every trade I took. Yeah, I wasn't liking this trade. I wasn't liking this trade at all. After this floundering right here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We didn't close above my resistance level. Can you guys see? I'll zoom in more. We didn't close above on that resistance level. Okay, as long as we're below that level, we're fine. New candle, close below that level, good. By the way, I don't know how anyone trades without levels. Professor, where's Doge and Bitcoin headed? Bro, go on YouTube. That live is in a few weeks. We're not talking about that. What does the title say? Jake, we got to get with the program, puppy. The title says live trading futures, not talking about Doge and Bitcoin. We're not doing that right now. Yes, mate from New Zealand. He's coming to January's mentorship from New Zealand. I love it. Over to Josh from Lithuania. Oh, another Lithuanian. But is that a Lithuanian name or a Nordic name? Over to Josh. But having your set levels work, even if his stop loss worked a lot, appreciate it. Professor, I just hit sell for everything. I highly recommend everyone just read the Just Hit Sell book. Where is the Just Hit Sell book? Well, it's behind me. Professor, why taking a short when the trend was up? The camera. What do you want me to lie? The camera. You want me to lie? I'm telling you the truth. The freaking camera. Funding ticks rules are even harder. I don't have to make 150 a day. It's 100 and I just have to make 40% then pay out. I don't know, Liam. I tried a lot of prop accounts the past few months. Funding ticks, in my opinion, the least amount of issues and drama. But whatever you say, bro. Whatever you say. Whatever you say. I like them. I like them. It comes from a Latin name. Really? Latin? Huh. Huh. All right. Sounds Nordic. When I was in Iceland, Reykjavik, almost everyone I met has similar names like that. That's why. Bro, I do not want to stay in this trade all day. All right. As long as it's below that resistance. Everyone can see the level. I said it multiple times. 4080.3 is the resistance level. 4080.3. Take profit is 4073.4. It comes from I read that. I will do some research and learn. Bro, just go to the free course. Liam, it's free. It's free. There's a whole prop firm stuff in there, bro. I show everything how I did it. I have to wait to hit sell when the trend is going against me, but the setup is perfect. I got you. Paul, don't believe support resistant work. People are crazy. They're working right now. They're working right now. But back to the story, right? I love what Liam said. He got pissed and he oversized. He went from 1 to 3 contracts on M&Q to 10 because of a loss. That's like if you're on a boat, you have planks, you have like 5 planks holding you down, right? And one of the planks gives you a splinter. You get pissed and say, screw you, and push all the planks out the way. And now you drown, and now you lost your account. And now you lost your account. Guys, I need you to start using these analogies of mine in your mind. In your mind when you're in a trade. I'm telling you. Yesterday I was taking a trade. This is the truth. I know I shouldn't say this, but it's the truth. I have to speak the truth. I'm about to take the trade, and I already made a lot. It's times 6, so it was like drastic number. I'm like, oh, I'll take another one. I'll make a little bit. The setup wasn't there. It was just a whatever trade. And my mind said, bro, what are you doing? If you were lost at sea on one plank, now you're on the island. Remember how when you were lost at sea, you were like, I wish I could get to that land. I wish I could land on the island. You're on the island. If you pass your evals and you have a funded account, you're on the island. Take the loss, walk away. Walk away. If you're someone that holds the grudges. Damn you, gold. I'm hungry. I'm fasting today too. I want some steak pasta. Do you make your levels on the daily bias or Pablo, come to class. Come to class. Lock myself out when I'm done for the day. I like that. Professor, time to hit sell. What's up, Tawab? Today's a good lesson. Tawab. On levels. Thanks, Professor. Entered, exit, and made some money. Let's go, Funchy. Let's go. Respecting the resistance downtrend coming in. Let's see, Marta. Marta? Yeah, Marta. Or is it Martha? Let's see. Let's see what multiple time frames, what everything here says. A lot of wicks. We're stage 3, page 41. You know what the beautiful thing about my style of learning is? I wrote the books on trading. So like in a college class, if some of you didn't take college, I got a master's in these things. The professor would always be like, all right, guys, we're about to learn this. Everyone turn to page 37. This is my lecture is going to be about. He's lecturing and we have the book in front of us. Page 41. Page 41, page 100. I'm telling you. It's not doing anything. It's like I lost internet connection. It's literally doing nothing. It's just frozen there. Frozen. This price movement is nasty. Yeah, Pablo's asking all the right questions. Do you ever check fundamentals here and there? In your book on zones, do you set up them every day? Every day. They are good pages. Thank you, Francis. Cameron Pierce is in the building. What's up, Cameron? If we are in the short, since we are in the stage 3, shouldn't we be hitting sell very quickly and not trying to hold it very 100%, Cameron? 100%. 41 and 100 are new favorite numbers. The trade will break that resistance. Let's see. Let's see. You know what my question to myself is? What would I do? What would I do if I was in this trade by myself, not live? What would I do? That is the question. What would I do if I'm in this trade by myself? I don't like it. Hit sell. That's it. That's what I would do if I was by myself. I'm not waiting for this to battle that again. This could break through. This might be the boom candle. So just hit sell. Get out. I'm out, Peter. You would have hit sold or early and not have taken the trade 100%. So this is what I would have done. I'm out. Looks like the knock knock boom is happening. The knock knock boom. And I don't want to be in that right there. You would have entered close to your levels and hit a yes. Yes. I'll take that loss. I'll take that loss. Let's see. Let's see what NQ's doing. Same. Jesus Christ. Just look at this. This is nasty work. That resistance is pulling strong. I didn't have to hit sell, but I have to be more realistic on my lives. What I would do and what I wouldn't do. And I don't want to be in this. I don't want to be in this. If the free course works, what advantage do we have with the books? The free course is outdated by maybe 5 years, 4 years. The books are fully updated and with more information. The free course is for those that are broke and will never pay any money to learn anything. It's really for them, so they can just take it and leave me alone. That's the truth, Nick. Any entry now? I'm not liking it. Professor, your book is awesome. Thank you, Cabral. I just got from work and want to grow my $20. Okay. Have you tried 100 tick charts? No. You have some serious issues on your site, Professor. How can I get in touch with you to show you the vulnerabilities? Bro, the site works, Liam. The site works. Just leave it be. The site works fine. Professor's book, Liam, get it, life-changing. I don't know why Liam is asking what book when every book is right here. Everyone's talking about my books, Liam. Let's see how this plays out. If we did good, said hitting sell. We got news on Thursday. Market is building up for another 2 days. Thank you for the transparency. You're welcome, Nick. Did we do good hitting sell? I'm happy that I wanted to get out earlier, but it's okay. I'm very happy that we hit sell. The site works, but it's easily hacked. It's okay. And that would have been the exit right there. Right there. I'm happy we hit sell. It's okay, Liam. It's okay. The most important thing is mental state. You cannot make money unless you understand the mental state. That's what is free course is for you. Get your... Oh, I like that, William. Yo, William always messages me with the best advice. William, I like you, bro. He always gives me like really good advice. Did you get the Just Sit Sell book yet, William? All the way in New Zealand? I made profit on that last trade because I hit sell early. Very good, Funchy. Very good. Because we're talking about multiple books. Oh, just get all three, bro. Just get all three. Just get all three. All right, I'm not going to stand here and entertain. So let's talk about this trade. Let's talk about this trade. Let's go full screen. Let's talk about it. GC or MGC. Entry here. This is my level of support, level of resistance. Came halfway, went back, tested it, came back. Very close. I should have hit sell, but I would have done this if you guys weren't watching. Plus, I'm not doing it now, but I'm usually copy trading 5-6 accounts. But it's okay. Came back, battled it, came back down. If you notice, the trend is to the upside. If you notice, we had a small pullback, but the overall trend is to the upside. Got out, broke that resistance. Right now, it's just playing. It's just playing the game. It's just playing the game. I made profit on that last. Okay, read that already. Because we're talking about, read that already. NVIDIA earnings going to make NQ go. Yeah, NVIDIA is really holding up the market, bro. The computer chips, the AI conversations holding it up. I did not get it yet. I came across a great Pacific Gold, but I'll be getting, okay. Professor, I was in a short with you on MGC. Closed early, made a little bit. Let's go, Akil. Let's go. Very good, bro. Very good. You guys are learning. Do what I say, not what I do on the lives, where I'm just holding it. I've just bought all 5 books. Liam, I only wrote 3 books, papi. I only wrote 3 books. Professor, would you have changed bias after sell? Yeah. All right, that's a wrap for me. YouTube Live, I'll see you next Tuesday. Friday, I'll be live on Instagram. I don't know what time because I'll be at the campus making sure everything is good. Maybe around 8-ish? I don't know. Hard to tell because, the team is there to make sure everything is working good. See, I want to take a trade, but no. Let me see. Let me look at some time frames. Hold on. Yeah, nah. I would wait. I would wait an hour. Not right now. Yeah. All right. Listen. I'll see everybody. May peace be upon you all. Listen. Oh, I got to... My bad. I almost forgot. Sorry. Sorry. My bad, Luke. I almost forgot. Sorry. Luke's like Quran, bro. My bad. All right. Let's go. Random page. All right. Chapter 21. The Prophets. Al-Anbiya. Verse 106. Surely this Quran is sufficient as a reminder for those devoted to worship. We have sent you, O Prophet, only as a mercy for the whole world. Say, what has been revealed to me is this. Your God is only one God. Will you then submit? If they turn away, then say, I have warned you all equally. I do not know if what you are threatened with is near or far. God surely knows what you say openly and whatever you hide. I do not know if this delay is possibly a test for you and an enjoyment for a while. In the end, the prophet said, my Lord, judge between us in truth. And our Lord is the most compassionate, whose help is sought against what you claim. I like this quote. Let me explain something about this, right? I am sent to you as a warner. Stay away from signal chats. Stop buying every course under the sun. Buy one course and just put your life force, a year to 2 years of full focus, and listen to whatever. It could be real estate, Airbnb, arbitrage. What else is there? E-com, drop shipping, I don't know. Crypto courses. Mine is free. And give it your all. You know, William in the chat from New Zealand gave me advice, but I had this advice years ago by my team. Charge $500 for the course, but create a code for anyone who watches on the live to get it for free on the live. But that's too much work. That's just too much work. I'm like, I don't want to deal with it. Just make it free. People don't take advantage of what's free. I get it. I get it. Like if this book was $2.99, you think anyone would buy it or take it seriously? Think about that for a second, right? People only value something that has a X amount of money on it. Keep that in mind. Listen, I'll be live Friday on YouTube. I'll do a Q&A on Instagram, not here because I'll be in the classroom. Mentorship, we still have seats. You can still sign up and show up to class. And I'll see you on Tuesday, 8 p.m. Oh, live trading on Tuesday again. How's it looking? Yeah. If you notice, ultimately trending to the upside. You see how it drops? Drops. Drops. Continuing the next leg up. I'll see you guys, like I said, on Tuesday. May peace be upon you all. Thank you, everybody in the chat. I will be in all the classes from now on. Got the physical. I love it. Wear the light, guys. It's okay. As always,